Hello, 𝐬𝐫𝐨𝐬s. Welcome back to Talk to Oma.com. Today, we're excited to introduce our new 4-part series, The Magic of Wealth Wizards. This is your gateway to a smarter, worry-free lifestyle. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Imagine a simple game-changer approach that makes saving money no longer an uphill battle. By setting up automatic transfer to a dedicated debt-free saving account each week, you will ensure consistent saving, treating this as a non-negotiable expense. This quiet, invisible, faithful tool works in the background, boosting your savings without any hassle. Doesn't that sound like a dream? It's time to transform your saving strategy. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together and discover the transformative power of automatic savings. The power of mental freedom. Our first stepping stone on the path to money freedom is something I like to call mental freedom. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's break it down. You see, life is hectic, and let's be honest, the constant need to remember to set aside money for savings can be a real drain. It's like a little gray cloud that is always there, taking up valuable brain space. But here's the exciting news. You have the power to chase that cloud away. Automating your debt-free savings is like setting a reliable, diligent little helper to work on your savings strategy. This helper doesn't need reminders, doesn't get tired, and doesn't get distracted. It's just keep quietly doing its job, ensuring a portion of your income smoothly transitional into your debt-free account week after week. And you get to sit back, relax, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your debt-free savings are growing steadily without you having to lift a finger. So, let's take this first step together. After watching this video, I'd encourage you to hop online and find out the highest interest rate account from all the banks. You want to find one that you cannot withdraw from, only deposit into. Then set up a weekly automatic transfer and call this new account your debt-free saving account. Then you want to set up an automatic payment for as little as 10%, ideally 20% of your take-home pay. What matters is that it is consistent. And just like that, you will have taken a massive leap towards achieving mental freedom. So let's do it. Your homework this week is to look at where your money goes. Find 2 or 3 things that you can spend just a little less on without missing it. And here is your fun joke for the day. Why don't secret agents sleep? Because they can't let anyone catch them napping. Now, before you go over to the next secret magic of Wealth Wizard, go ahead and grab your free money guide below. It's jam-packed with tips and actionable steps for building strong money muscle each month, putting you in a winner's seat with a strong community of like-minded friends around you, all working towards the same goal of building wealth together. Remember to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave your questions and share your triumphs in the comment section below too. We read every single one of them. So stay strong, save smart, and I'll see you in the next video.